going to name 25 scratch facts. I'm going to categorize them into 3 different categories. First, we have the beginner facts that almost everyone knows. The intermediate facts that a lot of beginners don't know. And impressive facts that a lot of persons don't know. Let's begin with fact number 1. Let's get on with the first fact. The first fact is, if you input this code and then click on it, it will crash. I'm not going to do this for the sake of my school laptop. Let's get on with the second fact. The second fact. Did you know that Scratch runs on 30 FPS? My Scratch runs on 26 FPS, if you can see here. A normal Scratch project runs on 30 FPS, but if you have an extension called Scratch add-ons, you can change it up to 240. Let's test it. 240, boom. Look, the sprite updates a lot now. My FPS is peaking at 170. Because my laptop is not that great, it doesn't load to 240, but pretty nice. Okay, for my third fact, did you know that the timer resets every time you click the green flag? Okay, let's get on with the fourth fact. Did you know that hidden sprites, if this sprite is gone, it still runs? Now with the fifth fact. Did you know variables can get made for this sprite only and for all sprites? You can unlock cloud variables by verifying your email on your Scratch account. Let's get on with extensions. Fact number 6. Did you know with extensions you can get more custom blocks like video sensing? It makes more blocks. Let's get on with fact number 7. Did you know that scripts can get comments? Here, add comment, and you can say something. Okay, nice. Okay, on to fact number 8. This does not only count for Scratch, but I'll let it slide. Did you know, if you're on a laptop or a PC, if you press F11, it turns on full screen mode. But that's for everything, so fun fact for computers. Okay, fact number 9. Did you know that you can broadcast a message even with no one receiving it? Look, it broadcasts that message. Okay, the last of the beginner facts. Did you know that variables, not cloud variables, but normal variables, can store letters as numbers? Look, okay, it changes by the number, but if you have a set to, look, the variable now says subscribe to Pilot Scratch. What you should do. Okay, let's get on with the interesting facts. Before we get to the interesting facts, thanks to you viewers, I now present memberships. You can now be a member of my YouTube channel. For $1 you can get the passenger role. For $2 you can get the business class role. For $4 you can get the flight attendant role. For $6 you can get the co-pilot role. And for the almighty $10 you can get the pilot role. How better the role, how big is the name on the list I will be featuring in every video. You can get stickers, special emojis and a lot of shoutouts. Let's get on with fact number 11. Okay, fact number 11. Did you know a sprite can have multiple costumes? And you might think, yeah, of course. but it can have hundreds of costumes. Let's upload a sprite. Okay. I have a GIF. Okay, it's importing. Okay, we have our GIF here. But look at the costumes. Wow, it has 135 costumes. Okay, let's test the GIF out. Actually, a free fun fact. Did you know that you can import GIFs? Look. Boom. Wow. Very nice. Okay, fact number 12. Did you know that a sprite can have around 300 sprites? Okay, let's create a clone of myself. And wait 0.1 seconds. 300. Pretty nice. Okay, on with fact number 13. Did you know the username block only works if you are logged in? This happens if you're not logged in. Well, use the username boolean. Nothing. Pretty nice. Let's get on with fact number 14. Did you know if you're holding shift on laptop and PC, if you're holding shift and while clicking the green flag, it turns on turbo mode. Look, turbo mode without any extensions. Fact number 15. Did you know that Scratch reached 1 billion projects made in 2024 on April 12th? Did you know the mascot of Scratch almost was Gobo? It first was intended to be mascot of Scratch. Let's look at Gobo. It's not loading. Oh, here. This is Gobo. This was intended to be the main mascot of Scratch. But the cat won. Fact number 18. Did you know that the Gobo's friends are named after metric prefixes for powers of 10? Tera, Giga, Nano, and Pico. Okay, for fact number 20. I've opened up my Formula 1 game. But here we have this beautiful map. It's very big. Look, this is only a part of the map. It's well exceeding the costume editor limit. So if I set size to 225, let's see what happens. Uh-oh, it doesn't work. It only sets it to 13. But if you have an empty costume and first switch to empty costume, then set size to 225. Look, it's now size of 225. Now switch costume to the racing map you like. Your own costume is now the size of 225 instead of 13. Okay, fact number 21. Did you know that when up arrow or when down arrow keys pressed or up arrow keys pressed, and you have a mouse, let's say you have a ball. Okay, change Y by 10 and change Y by -10. Did you know if you have a mouse, this also works for your mouse scroller? Look, this is great for making games like a clicker. For in the shop you have a scroll thingy. Look, for fact 20, I have something that a lot of you guys commented for. How do I get cat blocks? Easy. Just go to the settings, theme, and cat blocks. You can also use an extension, and a long time ago you could use the Konami classic Konami code, up, down, left, right, BA, but that's long gone. It doesn't work anymore. So just go in the settings and press cat blocks. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Join my Discord server if you want to talk about Scratch. Subscribe and see you later.